Hello, today we are going to look how to increase the virtual memory for your PC. Virtual memory is basically a memory file that works as random access memory file if your RAM memory is not enough. So, how to do this? Let's see. First, click on Start, then go to Settings. Select System. From there, you select Storage. From there, show more categories. From the system and reserved. Now you can see the virtual memory of the system is 1.64 GB. This allows the PC to run multiple apps at the same time. Now how to increase this? Close it and okay, now go to the search bar, that you type system. You can see system control panel, select system control panel. From there, advanced system settings. From advanced system settings, you have to select advanced. So here we can see the system properties. Now go to settings. Advanced. Change. Here, automatically manage paging file size for all devices enabled. So you have to disable it. Then enable the custom size. Here you have to give the initial size. So here the total memory is 4 GB. So this the custom initial size should give. So we know 1 GB is equal to 1024 MB. So you have to calculate it. 1024 into 4. So here the initial size is 4096 MB. 4096. Now we have to calculate the maximum size that we can allow. So here we can give 1.5 or 2 GB. So here again 1024 into 4, that is 4096. 96 into 2. So the maximum size can give 8192 MB. 8192. Now set. Click on set option. Click OK. Now to apply this changer, we have to restart our computer. Apply. Okay. Okay. So properties. Okay. Close all the open windows. So before restarting, you have to save all the open file options and close all programs. Then restart your computer. Here to save time, remain me later options is selected here. Now we can check it. Okay. Click on start. Settings. System. Storage. Show more options. System reserve. Now we can see the virtual memory is increased. It become 4.1 GB. So this is the way how to increase the speed of your computer. Here we increase 2 GB. 2 GB virtual memory. Okay, once again, don't forget to subscribe my channel.